today, Jacob? I don't know, but it's heavy. It's like the Memphis 14-inch, 1 ohm, 2200 watt monster. So let's do an unboxing, man. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see, we got tape. Let's see what's going on here. More tape. We got a box in a box. Maybe there's a box in the box in the box, man. Ugh. There's no way I'm picking that thing up.
That looks pretty.
Oh my goodness. It's pretty heavy. Oh. Holy smokes, dude. It's embroidered.
How big is it?
I don't know. Humongous. It's a 14-inch woofer. I know it's got a 7-inch voice coil. Ooh, that's pretty. That's real
sealed?
nice. No, it's corded, man. It's a pretty small box for such a large woofer. 2200 watts.
Okay.
Brand new. First one in Nebraska anyways.
2200.
2200 watts. 7-inch coil. Let's hook it up.
You can turn it up a lot more.